Motorola Edge 70 versus Xiaomi 15T Pro. Starting with the display, the Motorola Edge 70 features a 6.67-inch POLED panel with 1 billion colors, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support, plus handy edge gestures and always-on display for quick glances. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15T Pro ups the ante with a slightly larger 6.83-inch AMOLED screen, boasting an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 3200 nits, making it a beast in daylight visibility. The Xiaomi's higher refresh rate and Dolby Vision support make it the standout for media consumption and gaming, though Motorola Smart Always On and Pantone certification keep it competitive in color accuracy and usability. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 70 runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset built on a 4nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with a balanced clock speed up to 2.8 GHz and an Adreno 722 GPU. The Xiaomi 15T Pro, however, packs the Mediatek Dimensity 9400 Plus on an even smaller 3nm process, with a more aggressive octa-core setup reaching up to 3.63 GHz and an Immortalis G92 GPU. Xiaomi's newer, more powerful chipset promises better raw performance and efficiency, making it a clear winner for those craving speed and multitasking prowess. In terms of unique features, Motorola impresses with AI-powered battery optimization, a sleek 6mm thickness, and an AI shortcut button integrated into Hello UI, plus Pantone-certified colors ensuring vibrant visuals. Xiaomi counters with AI speech recognition, advanced AI editing tools, and a 3D ice loop cooling system to keep performance cool under pressure, alongside Dolby Atmos speakers for immersive sound. Xiaomi's cooling and audio tech give it an edge for gamers and content creators, while Motorola's AI enhancements focus on battery life and user experience. Looking at the cameras, Motorola's Edge 70 offers a 50MP wide lens with OIS and multi-directional PDAF, plus a 50MP ultra-wide shooter. Xiaomi 15T Pro steps up with a 50MP wide lens featuring a larger 1.31 sensor and OIS, plus a remarkable 5x periscope telephoto zoom with OIS, and an additional 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Xiaomi's telephoto zoom is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts wanting versatility and detail at a distance. When it comes to camera features, Motorola brings AI auto-scene detection and night vision mode, perfect for casual users wanting effortless shots. Xiaomi counters with Leica Summilux optics, Ultra HD, and an insane 100x zoom, combining optical and AI, plus a Dolby Vision movie mode for cinematic video capture. Xiaomi's advanced zoom and professional-grade modes make it the choice for photography buffs. Battery-wise, Motorola Edge 70 houses a 4800 mAh cell, while Xiaomi 15T Pro packs a larger 5500 mAh battery. That extra juice in Xiaomi means longer screen time and better endurance for heavy users. In build quality, Motorola uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front, a plastic back and frame, balancing durability with weight. Xiaomi goes premium with Gorilla Glass 7i front and glass fiber back, reinforced by an aluminum frame, giving it a more solid and premium feel. For durability, Motorola offers IP68, IP69 certification with resistance to high-pressure water jets and MIL STD 810H compliance, ensuring ruggedness in tough conditions. Xiaomi also has IP68 water resistance, but with immersion up to 3 meters, and a highly rigid aluminum alloy frame, offering robust protection with a more premium chassis. Both phones offer generous memory options with 12GB RAM configurations and storage ranging from 256GB up to 512GB for Motorola, while Xiaomi also includes a massive 1TB variant, catering to power users needing extensive space. Finally, price-wise, Motorola Edge 70 sits comfortably between $800 and $950, while Xiaomi 15T Pro ranges from $870 to $1,050. Xiaomi's higher price reflects its premium features and hardware, but is the jump worth it?